I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can monetize your content on Facebook, like 2 ways, right? You need not to even be a novice about Facebook. So I'm going to show you how you can monetize your content with the profile mode and the page mode. My name is Manuel. Welcome to this episode of Success. There's a new update for content creators here in Ghana. In fact, a very big update for content creators here in Ghana, and that is what most people, almost everybody is waiting to hear from Meta. If you know about Meta, I mean the group company that encompasses of all that embodies Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and they've released a new update for Ghanaians, and most Ghanaians are very happy. In fact, some couple of months now, there've been a lot of arguments on the side of top content creators here in Ghana, and I think Kojo Sheddon was very integral when it comes to this, because some of the videos I watched, I mean, with this interview with BBC, Kojo Sheddon spoke with BBC that they would allow content creators here in Ghana to monetize their creativity on Facebook. He thinks it will be a very good thing, and I'm not with that. This interview with Kweku Manu spoke about the same thing. Sheldon still emphasized on the fact that when you go to Nigeria, when you go to Kenya, their top political officials liaise with Facebook, and their monetization was actually given to them. And finally, there have been a communique from the Ministry of Information in Ghana, and that shows that truly Ghana is now eligible for monetization on Facebook. And when the information came, Wadamanya posted on his Facebook page and on his Twitter handle, and then some traditional media also discussed the update with regards to the monetization. Previously, when you go to your Facebook page, if you visit a professional dashboard that gives you access to monetize your content, it shows that you actually do not have access to monetization because you reside in an ineligible country. And among the 5 criteria, that was the most difficult thing for Ghanaians. I think most people were using other means where you pay money to somebody outside your country. It might be somebody residing in the USA or UK, Canada. I mean, those countries that were previously eligible for content monetization, people will make agreements with them, make them admins with their page, and they will apply for monetization on their behalf. And then in terms of revenue compensations, they share it percentage based. If I'm the content creator, maybe I can take like 70% and then pay 30% or 15% to the person that I've made admin from other countries. So the person will apply monetization on your behalf, and then you receive revenue. Some few people in Ghana and even in Nigeria as well, content creators were doing something like that. But now it is not like that. Now you can actually create content and then monetize your creativity just like YouTube. I mean, I've been in the midst of young creators. I've spoke to people about content creation. People come to me for me to teach them 1 or 2 stuff about video creation on YouTube, and they complain that they think the YouTube algorithm is very difficult. And there's no doubt to that. I mean, personally, I've not seen any social media algorithm that is more complicated than YouTube. Like, YouTube is very difficult, but I think YouTube it's actually worth it, because if you understand the bargain type of content on YouTube, if you understand how YouTube goes by the search-based approach, if you understand SEO and stuff, you bear me witness that even if it's 10 years or 5 years on YouTube, your content will still pay, right? But still, there were kind of restrictions, there were kind of difficulties for some people. And now, by the grace of God, I think Facebook will not be a substitute, but at least it will complement the effort of YouTube in helping to generate some revenue for people, specifically content creators. I think that is so amazing. And so what does this say? It simply means that if you are somebody who is a content creator, this is the time for you to increase your content creation. If you are somebody who used to post, who rarely post, there's a time for you to be very consistent with what you do. And I tell you, it will actually pay off. If you believe and understand that people post videos on YouTube and they earn revenue from what they do, then the same way applies to Facebook. So if you're somebody who is a content creator, this is just a notice to you that you need to, upgrade yourself. If I'm talking about upgrade, I'm not talking about upgrade in terms of equipment, but you need to learn 1 or 2 things about the Facebook platform for you to be able to do more with it. This is also a chance for you to build everything from scratch. I mean, we start something from somewhere, we move to somewhere, and we will definitely get to somewhere. So it's not bad to start. You can start all over and then build a Facebook page for yourself. The content monetization comes in 2 ways. It's either you monetize your Facebook page or you monetize your Facebook profile. But then anyways, page is the best, because if you have a page, you have an access to a lot of tools that can help you to better yourself in terms of your content creation, right? So let's dive right into my phone, and I'll show you how you can use this new eligible feature for Ghanaians to make money on Facebook, right? I'm a content creator. Like I said, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can monetize your content on Facebook, like 2 ways, right? You need not to, you need not to even be a novice about Facebook. I mean, I believe that almost everybody has a Facebook account. We all have a Facebook account, right? So I'm going to show you how you can monetize your content with the profile mode and the page mode. So if you're somebody who thinks that you can't create a page and build followers up to the requirements, Then you can go by the profile mode. Profile mode is the normal Facebook account that we all have, where you post videos, you post your pictures. I know you like and comment on other people's photos and videos and stuff. That is the normal Facebook account that we all have. So we will get into it one by one and then show how the content creation actually works here. Alright, so this is my phone. I'm gonna show you how you can actually move with it, right? How you can actually it's like you're going through my news feed. I beg you. Yeah, so this is my name. This is my account, right? Let me click on my so this is my normal account, right? This is my normal profile. Like anybody else has a profile, right? Anybody has a profile on Facebook. You can't be on Facebook and be not having profile. What are you going to do on Facebook? Excuse my language. But yes, this is a normal one, so you can see Emmanuel Clever. That's my name. And then subscribe. The Success of Clever is actually my YouTube channel. And then I think you would love to check it down in the comment section below if you want to know more about my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'll be leaving the link to my YouTube channel in the description box. And then yeah, that's it. So moving on, you can see here I have 5k followers. What did I do? I didn't tell anybody to follow me, right? I didn't tell anybody to follow me. But this is how you do. If you have a normal account, if you have a normal Facebook account, what you can do is that, like this my account now, mine is showing followers here. These are friends. So what you do is that your normal friends, right? If you want to use your profile for monetization, if you want to monetize your profile, your normal Facebook account, what you have to do, you have to you have to switch your profile to a professional mode. And these are very basic steps to do it. If you want to monetize your profile, you switch your profile to professional mode. So let me show you the difference between the professional mode and then the normal account. Let me look for a random person's account. Any random person. Right? Okay, so let me, like this, I don't know this person, but let me use this account to show you something. Right? So if you see his own here, you can see post photos reels here. You can see 4.1k friends. This person, I don't know the person though, but here is 4.1k friends and then 8 mutual. This how your normal profile account is, or this how your normal Facebook account is. If you change it to the professional mode, then it becomes like my own. So this is the person's normal Facebook account. You open, you see friends, you see message and stuff. But if you switch it to the professional mode, then it becomes like my own. So friends that you are supposed to see in the other person's account will tend to followers. So you can see 5k followers here, then 573 following, right? Then see here, you see dashboard. Let me go back to the person's account. Will I still find it? Yeah, if you go to the person's account, there's not here, you see friends, you see message. There's nothing like dashboard, there's nothing like create reels or something, right? But it's same Facebook account. But if you switch it to the professional mode, then you can have the chance to do many things with it. So as I've switched mine to the professional mode, I can see dashboard, I can create reels, then I see advertise, right? So now it's the kind of, you are monetizing your profile. So everything that you post on your Facebook platform, Facebook is actually going to pay you for it, and there are so many ways of getting money on it, right? So let's show you this how it is. Normal. So you can see I'm posting my normal videos. I posted this video 17 hours ago, right? You can see this one too. These are some of the videos I post. If you want to know more about these videos, I mean, you can check down those videos on my channel. You can also check out for my Facebook page and then my Facebook account, right? I'll go to the Facebook page, my Facebook account, and then follow me. The name is Emmanuel Clever. Yes, let's move on. And then these are some of the videos that I post let's on my account. Let's move on with it. I'm going to dashboard and see how it actually operates. So this see dashboard, then you can see 5k followers, level 100 for 14% remaining. Performance, right? Performance. If you have a normal Facebook account and you've not switched it to the professional mode, you will not see some of these insights. But the moment you switch the same account to, just that your friends will tend to follow it so that you can monitor what you are doing. I think it's a very simple thing. Then if you do that, you will be able to see some of these things. So if you post a video, Facebook will tell you how your videos perform. So here you see impressions, right? From the video that I've posted, the impression is 13,032 from previous video, 28 days. Then the 30-second videos is 226. from previous 28 days. You can see here, like I said, here's engagement on the videos. Recently that I started working on this account. It's not an account that I normally post videos there, but because of the monetization, I've had no followers for the past 20 days since I've not been posting videos there. I just started, right? And then this side goes, you can have the chance to do a lot of stuff. So you can create from your top post, just like when you go to your Facebook and go to your Facebook studio, you have the chance to have a lot of insight on your videos. That's what actually happens on Facebook. So you have access to a whole lot of stars. That's how you call it professional mode. So that one, this is my calendar where we are in 4th July, right? You also see this. Then yeah, so you have a lot of stuff, a whole lot of stuff for yourself as opposed to the normal Facebook account. So if you have a normal Facebook account, just try your best and switch it to professional mode, right? Then we can go to monetization, right? You can, as we scroll down, where is it? We can find monetization here, right? So you can click on monetization. When you click on monetization, Facebook will show you how you can monetize your content using your profile, how you can basically monetize your content with your profile, right? So you see, it tells me not yet eligible. As you grow your audience, you will unlock more ways to make money. Yes, my account here, my Facebook account here, or my Facebook profile here is not eligible for monetization. Not because Ghana is not part of monetization, but because I have not met the remaining criteria for monetization. And what are these? Facebook actually gives you the chance to monetize your content in several ways, right? Like Facebook, like when you go to YouTube, we have super chats, super thanks, and a whole lot of stuff aside the Google ad revenue, right? You can also do the same thing here. We have ads on reels. So the normal short video that you post on Facebook, just like TikTok videos, YouTube short and stuff. YouTube actually gives you the chance to monetize those content, right? So when you click on it, this one's only by invitation. And the ads on reels is only by invitation. Earn money with ads. Create a revenue stream by showing ads on your eligible reels. Then it says keep reels front and then center. So this, you see how reels look like. These are the normal short videos you've been watching on Facebook, right? If you're able to do those things within your profile or within your account, you can monetize those short videos and YouTube will pay you, right? But like I said, the eligibility criteria for any money on YouTube on Facebook is different. Like it differs from one place to another. Here is ads on reels, so the requirements may differ a bit from the other ways of any money on the same Facebook platform, right? It says keep reels front and center. Ads on reels is a seamless opportunity to monetize your eligible reel with ads. Then get place to earn money. Earnings are based on the monetizable place of eligible reels. I feel like I'm so eligible for monetization. What I can do is that I can click on I'm interested. Then Facebook will show you how you can apply for monetization for you to earn money on your reels. So it's only by invitation, right? So you click on I'm interested, then you show Facebook why you think you're interested, because you've been posting reels and maybe they don't know about it, so they should follow it and then do it for you. That's basically about how to go about the ads on reels. And then we also have bonuses, right? I don't want to talk about bonuses, but if you are somebody who posts normal photos, you like and comment on people's videos, you can earn money with the bonuses, and that one too is only by invitation. The one that we are interested in working on is what we call the in-stream ad, because that's the simplest one to monetize. When I click on my own, it says make money with ads. Include ads in your original public videos to start monetizing with in-stream ads. If you want to know about this, it's where you monetize your long-form content. Videos that are kind of 3 minutes long are starting to be corrected. So look at the eligibility criteria here. You see, this one is different from the ads on reels. The in-stream ads is kind of different from the ads on reels. So you can see it says you reside in an eligible country. This is what proves that Ghana as a country is now eligible for monetization, right? Previously it was never like that. You never see this thing, and that was the headache to most of content creators in Ghana. But now Ghana as a country, this is what we saw that gave us hope that no, there is a chance for us to monetize our content. And then for that, people were just waiting for official communique from the government, and now the communique is out. This one is times, right? This one means that the videos that you create on Facebook, it needs to follow their community guideline, just like YouTube. You can't be using copyrighted videos, copyrighted songs and stuff. People's creativity needs to pay. My simplest advice is that create content for yourself. Create content, a content that belongs to you. Don't be using other people's content illegally, which is very wrong. Create your own content on Facebook. When you click here, let me show you. When you click on content, monetization policies, Facebook itself will tell you what they require from you, right? So you can have the chance to read content monetization policies. You can go through and Facebook will tell you, right? They don't like this, blah blah blah. Because of my time, I don't want to make this video very long. Just today. So let me go back. Right, and it says I've met this criteria. This one it says I should have 5,000 followers. So you can see I have 5,023 followers. So I qualify for this one. What did I do? I didn't make people follow me. It was just my friends. I had 5,000 friends and I switched them to followers. Right, in the professional mode. Then it says content criteria. It says this is the most difficult thing. It's like, on YouTube, it's like you working out for watch hours. You know, YouTube actually requires you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Here on Facebook, it requires you to it says you should have 5,000 followers. Then you should have 60,000 minutes of views, right? So it says your eligible videos, including on demand, live, and previously live, have been viewed at least 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days. Then the last requirement is you've shared at least 5 eligible videos in the last 60 days that were either on demand, live, or previously live. Let's move on. So this is basically about how you can actually monetize your content with a profile. Let's move on to the page. I also have a page. So let me switch to my page and show you how you can actually apply for monetization with your page. All right, so this is my page. So you see the format, right? This is my page. All I have to do, let me enter my page. So you can see my profile was Emmanuel Clever. My page is Success with Clever. There are two different things. I'm going to show you how you can apply for monetization with your Facebook page. That is the main one. Page is what a lot of people are running. That's what a lot of people use to monetize their content, right? All right, so you can see I have 1K followers. I have 1K followers, and then I have 29 people that I'm also following. And you can see, so this is the official video sharing page for Success with Clever. That's where I share my videos, my long form content and stuff. Yeah, so you go through this, what you actually see, and then this is what you actually see. You can see some of my videos. You can see some of my videos for yourself. This is so amazing, right? All right, so here too, you see dashboard. Just like we saw in other one. Let me click on see dashboard. Just like we saw in the profile mode, we are also seeing it here. So let's go to the monetization center. All right, so you can see for the profile mode, it was ads on reels, bonuses, and then in-stream ads. But here it is 4. Now here live ads have been added to it. We have ads on we have ads on reels, bonuses, live ads, and in-stream ads. All right, let's quickly run through them. When we go to the ads on reels, just like the first one, this one too is only by invitation for the page. This one bonuses to the same thing. For bonuses, it says amplify your earnings as a creator with bonuses. So the more you post, even normal photos, comments, your engagement on Facebook, you can use Facebook can give you some coins for yourself. Let's move on with the live ads. Live ads is where you go live, right? You go live and so that you can have the chance to chat with your followers and stuff. That one you can just monetize your content. Eligibility criteria for you to be able to monetize your content here. It says you reside in an eligible country. This is my page. I showed you how I can monetize my profile, and it was saying that I reside in an eligible country. And now this is my page, and my page is also saying that I reside in an eligible country. So that literally confirms the fact that in Ghana here, you can monetize your content on Facebook. And if you don't have a page, you can use your normal Facebook account, switch it to professional mode to apply for monetization, or you can create a page and build followers. So basically the requirement here is like 7 for you to in from live, which I think is not kind of easy, right? And you can go to in-stream ad, just like we spoke about. The same in-stream ad in the professional mode or in the profile mode. We have the same in-stream ad in the page aspect of it. In my profile account, here was 4, so here was 6, because that one, it was my friends and I turned them to followers. So I usually had 5,000 followers. But here, this is where you build everything from scratch by people following you. So here I have only 1,094 followers, not 5,000. Consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Emmanuel Clever. Let me know your comment in the comment section below. Maybe if you want me to work on anything, I can work on that for you. And like I said, subscribe to the channel and then let me know your comment. Then don't forget to hit on the like button. This is Success with Clever and I'm out.